Curry gravy.
Curry good. Let me smell it. Smell curry-ish. This look cook. You cannot read from the camera.
Rice taste stuff.
Just like wood.
Like wood.
Stand up now. Cheese patty for days. Put the patty as an angel. Cheese patty for days. Cheese patty for days. Catch your patty alive. What is that? I go on YouTube, so I don't know say it's a girl Kelly, but I never get to do an intro because this was a very, very unexpected vlog. You know when you're ready and say I go somewhere with your family, but you never know say Ray had, you know what I'm saying? So this was just a piece of like I just video everything and put it together and create a vlog. I don't even know what I gonna name. I just all in one. You don't know say subscribe free too. No money, no money. Pay. Just clips and it works.
Come out of people video.
Curry gravy? What you say? That is it. I'm gonna try this and see it go.
Just it.
The rest is all. The rest is all like old people. Crunchy.
Rice taste stuff.
Just like wood.
Like wood. Say you eat wood.
It tastes too much. It tastes dark. I love curry good though. Everything about it curry gravy.
You never hear them on Facebook as them. Them more run for them curry gravy.
The man them from 876.
Sorry. Send me a minty with curry gravy. Father, I can get a soup piece with curry gravy, a large one, pasta.
We can get a small red piece with curry gravy, a bucket of water with curry gravy too.
Can I get a porridge with curry gravy too, please? Excuse. Hey, give me a curry with curry gravy.
The goat bone tastes like Maggie. Pepsi give you wings, or Red Bull give you wings.
Wrong stuff.
All that we forgot? So we are going to pings. Because if we get class, material, stuff. They're not going to make me video, I just know. And we'll try to get one piece of cloth and they will not let win because at 5 o'clock when it that.
Oh, you can't come in. At 5 o'clock you lock.
At 5 o'clock things lock and them attack. Oh, you can't come in and at 5 o'clock. Them act like at 6:39 at 5 o'clock still. But Angel Gani gonna get the class. So we're gonna see what happens after this. Oh, look for the view over there, so. Ooh, you see sun? Oh, that's so beautiful. See Angel, they will wait for her. You get the class? All uncle them well, if you never gone away with your little sibling, they always want to play or do some stuff. She want to play. Big old watch everybody the way I play. She says tag. What? Don't tell her something. No. Well, look for you. I think I did just make the sibling, big sibling university.
You know it.
No waste of time. What? Oh, to play in a times like this. No. Them that there are like 8,000 to 1. 8 grand.
Help me!
$500 or $600 for this, you know? I'm gonna show them all small. Okay, small. Let's see how much for this. I want 60 for this, you know? $160. Like, what you tell me? What the heck? Cheese patty for days. Don't see a patty? Cheese patty for days. Put a patty as an angel. Cheese patty for days. Cheese patty for days. Catchy patty alive. What did I eat? My patty so good. I don't want nothing. What? Come on, fog for the kid. Oh, miss. Oh, good night. We can get 4 fog. Fog. 4. Kid. It's woman purchase. Girl, you gonna give me fog? Right. Well, everybody buy 1 cake, so a 4 cake, right? Woman at all. I want 4 fog shots. What did you purchase? What me I do with the plastic fog? I think me purchase cake. Is what best ever, cause what is you talking about? This is best ever.